Matrix is a partner program that has 7 positions, the first of which is occupied by you. Each position under you brings you a profit. With each of the 2 positions on the first line, you get 5% of the income. With each of the 4 positions on the second line, you get 95% of the income. In total, your income in 390% of the cost of the matrix. How to make money and how much does the matrix cost? In our Pro100 game, there are 9 matrices, each of which in 2 times more expensive than the previous one. Let's assume that you activated the matrix for $10 and took the first position. You recommended the Pro100Game service to 2 of our friends, and they also activated their matrices for $10. They were displayed in your first line, and you promptly earned 5% for each of them. Your friends also, just like you, recommended our program for 2 or 4 friends, and they also activated the matrix for $10. You have earned 95% for each of them. You have completed all positions in the matrix and received 390% of income. What happens next? At this moment, the automatic reinvestment system is triggered and new matrix cycle is activated from your income by $10. Now, your 390% of the income is available for you again. You can open new matrix cycles an infinite number of times and earn 390% by recommending the Pro100Game service. We have already launched the infinite income mechanism from the first matrix, and we have as many as 9 of them. In order to get 3,090% of profit from more expensive matrices, there is an automatic upgrade system that activates more expensive matrices from your income. It's allowing you to earn more and more each time. For all partners, the matrix works the same way. For all partners, the matrix works the same way. And when our 2 invited partners fill in all their cells, they have an automatic upgrade system. Now they appear you income again. How does the overflow system works? For example, you activated the matrix and invited 4 partners. 2 partners will take the first 2 positions and the next partners will take positions in the second line. For partners in the first line, this action will called overflow, which in fact means shift. Change of position in the system is when your sponsor's partners get into your matrix and bring you revenue. Recommended the service Pro100 Game and earn with us just right now.